Want to level up your Python skills? And this video is about strings. How to control them. If you don't know how to control it, you might go out of control. You need to know how to split them and add them. And now let's get going and let's learn how to use them. Hi, I'm Dion, and today I'm going to tell you about strings. The first thing is index. If you haven't seen the list video, please look back to it. Now I'm going to tell you about index. It's just like list, exactly the same. Let's say the string is PyPyKids. You want to get the first P, the variable name and bracket, and write 0, and you'll get the first P. The last element or letter from the string, it's called -1. It's not -0 because -0 is exactly like 0. The second thing is slice. If you want to get a specific part of the string, you use slice. If you want to get PyPy from PyPyKids, you write 0, then colon, then 4. Right? You get PY. You don't get the K because the last is exclusive. If you want to get kids, you write 4, then colon. You don't write anything and just close the bracket because that means you go the 4th to the end, which you get kids. If you want to get PyPy again without writing the 0, you can do that, like colon and 4. The third thing is merge. If you want to add two strings together, you write two variables. Let's say those two is string 1 and string 2. You write string 1 plus string 2 equals PyKids if string 1 is PyPy and string 2 is kids. The fourth thing is merge with join. If you want to merge the list with strings together, like let's say the list is the first element, PyPy the second element, and kids as the third element. You write quotation marks and dot join and parentheses and write the list variable in it. And you will get the PyPyKids without any spaces or anything. If you want spaces in between it, quotation marks, space, and quotation marks, dot join and the list variable, you get the space PyPy space kids. The fifth thing is split. If you want to split the string into lists, let's say the string is this, is, PyPyKids. List equals str dot split and quotation marks and write parentheses, quotation marks, quotation marks, and parentheses. And the list will be this is PyPyKids, different elements. Today we learned index, slice, merge, join, and split. Please hit the subscribe button to check my other videos. And I guess that's all. Bye! Thank you for watching!